Hi friends, welcome to Arnav's world. So today is Science Day, the first day of science. Yes. Okay, so many things we use are made from science or are there because of science. People learned science and created things like phones, cameras, trains, cars, etc. Science is the study of nature and the behavior of natural things and the knowledge that we obtain about them. Some examples of science is like when many years ago, like thousands of years ago, a person saw a lightning hit a tree and the tree fell down and burned. With that, he thought about something. He took two rocks and rubbed them like this. For example, when we rub our hands like this, it will get hot. So using that same mechanic, he made fire. Some other examples are people observed birds and made fly airplanes, submarines because of whales, and bullet trains because of kingfisher birds. There are many more innovations inspired by natural things. Okay, the word science comes from the Latin word scientia, which means knowledge. Yes. Okay, science has many types, but in modern times, it is physics, chemistry, and biology. Physics is what naturally happens or how the world works, and energy and forces. Okay, chemistry is about molecules, atoms, chain reactions, and chemical reactions. And biology equals how plants and animals are living. One example of plants is these plants, and the one example of animals is me. Yes, those are animals. Okay, so today we are discussing about matter. Everything in the universe is made of matter only. You, me, this plant, like even this board, the air around us. Okay, there are three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. I'll show some examples like this candle. This candle's wax is solid. Then under here it is liquid. The smoke from here is gas, and there's also some extra forces. One example of an extra force is plasma. Fire is a type of plasma. Okay. Wait a second. Okay, I'm back. Okay, one other example is ice, which is the solid form of water. This is the liquid form in a glass, and finally a hot one. If you can see perfectly, there would be smoke. This is the gas form. It is called water vapor. Okay. The matter is also made of atoms. These atoms are smaller than hair. These are very small and are the building blocks of the world. So, I'll show you an atom. Atoms are very small and they make the world. It's just to summarize. Okay, so here is the nucleus. A nucleus is made of two different types of particles inside an atom again. Those are called neutrons and protons. Protons are positively charged while neutrons have no charge. And there are also electrons circling, which are way smaller than protons and neutrons. Electrons have negative charge. Yeah. Actually, these is not for scale. The real size of the nucleus and electrons are, for as an example I'll show. Okay, if one atom is the size of a football stadium, one nucleus is the size of a marble. Mind blowing. And the electrons are things that are the size of sand grains. It's very far compared to their sizes. Yeah. Okay, the world is made of 90 atoms. But many people are asking, wait, aren't there 118 atoms? The correct answer is there are 90 natural atoms. The other atoms like Einsteinium or Americium are made artificially by experiments conducted by scientists and other people. And there are also molecules. Example, water. Yes, there is not a separate atom for just water. This is the component of water, H2O, because there are 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. And this is water. There are thousands of trillions of types and elements and compounds. Compounds are ones which are made by molecules, and elements are the ones which are only made by atoms, no other, one specific type of atom. So this is the summary of matter, and bye.